This video will show you how to change the default app that's opening Flipcharts from Microsoft Word to be ActivInspire. For the example, I'm going to use this file at the bottom of my screen that's already changed to open through ActivInspire, but the steps will be the same. So when you have your Flipchart file, right-click on the file and go to Properties. From there, right now yours probably says Opens with and shows Microsoft Word, but you're going to click Change. Then it will pull up this screen. It probably doesn't show you Inspire, so you're going to click on More Apps, and you're going to scroll to the bottom and say Look for another app on this PC. Then you're in Program Files in your C drive. You click on Windows and click on Program Files 86, and then click Active Software and Inspire, and scroll down to the bottom to find Inspire. Open, and you can change it to say that it opens with Inspire.